Hello, my dear friends. Is your brain cluttered? Do you have clutter in your house so much that it's cluttered your brain and you can't think and you can't even maneuver down the various alleyways of your thought processes because there's so much clutter in there? Do you know why? It's because you have so many things bouncing around in your head that you want to do that it's freezing you from being able to really think properly. So I want you to start using a dump sheet, somewhere where you do a brain dump, and you take all those things, and we can call it a to-do list, a brain dump, whatever. Just write them down as they come to you. And you'll be shocked that it's not as many as you think, because when it's in your head, it multiplies. And it becomes bigger than it really is. So write down your to-dos, number one. Number two, figure out when they need to be done. And by doing this, you'll need to do this, you'll need to prioritize and say, well, this is more important than this, and this is less important than this. And that will help you to unfreeze your brain, declutter your brain so that you can declutter your home. Make it a great day.